Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you recipe using oats. For this, here I have taken 1 cup of plain regular oats. Now into the pan we have to dry roast these on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes, or depending upon the quantity. If you are taking the same quantity, it will take about 5 to 6 minutes, and keep on stirring in between. Do not leave it unattended. And all you know that oats has very rich in dietary fiber and carbohydrates, and it is also a good source of protein. Now it's been 6 minutes. It starts releasing the aroma, and you have seen the color is also changed at this point. Switch off the gas, and now take a separate plate and remove these oats into the separate plate. Spread it evenly and let it cool down completely. In between we will prepare the next thing. Here I have taken half cup of almonds. You can take up to 1 cup of almonds in this recipe. Now into the same pan add these almonds and roast it for about 30 to 40 seconds or until it's slightly crunchy. After that, remove these into the separate plate, and similar way let it cool down completely. It's been 15 minutes. The oats is completely cooled down. Take a blending jar, add these oats into the blending jar, cover the lid and grind it into the fine powder. It will take about a minute or so. After grinding, open the lid, and this is how the fine powder is ready. Now take a separate plate and remove this oats powder into the plate, and this is the closer view of this. Now into the same jar add the almonds that we have roasted, and now cover the lid and grind the almond while giving pulse. And now open the lid, and you will notice this is how it looks like, perfect powder. And now mix both the powders. After mixing both the powders, set these aside. And now in place of jaggery I am using here dates. I have removed the seeds from the dates. This is approximately 1 cup of dates. Now into the blending jar add these dates. Make sure to remove the seeds from the dates. If you want, you can add little more quantity, but for this quantity the 1 cup of dates is required. Now after grinding, this is how it looks like. Now add these dates into the almond and oats powder, and now you have to mix it with the dates. In the starting you will notice that it might not mix with the dates, but it will take little time. I am going to transfer this into the bowl so that it will be easier for me to mix it. And now mix it properly so that the powder won't spill here and there, and you will notice it is not in the binding consistency. You will notice. Now for binding it, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of honey. You can take peanut butter also. I have slightly warmed the honey, and now add this honey into this mixture and mix it, and you will notice it starts sticking into your hand. So this is the consistency we need, and just take it in your hand and it starts binding together. That means this is perfect. After mixing it properly, wash your hand. After washing your hand, then grease your hand with clarified butter, ghee or oil, and now take a small portion and then roll it in between your palm. You can take the quantity of ball according to your choice. If you want the big balls, you can take big, or if you want smaller, you can make smaller. And this is the first ball ready, and it is very easy without any effort or without too much of pressure. You can make these oat balls. So this is the second ball. You have seen how easily I can make the balls. and this is the second ball ready. Similar way I am going to prepare rest of the balls and then I will show you. And here I have prepared the oat laddus or oats balls. These are so healthy. Out of this quantity I have prepared 15 medium size oat balls. You can see how soft it is, and this is how soft it is. You can store these oatmeal balls or oatmeal laddus at room temperature into the airtight container for up to 1 month and enjoy with your friends and family. And when you are making it, just roast it on the low flame and keep on stirring and wait until the slight aroma starts releasing from the oats. If you don't like honey, you can just add peanut butter into the same quantity. It slightly change the flavor when you are adding the peanut butter. And if you like this easy recipe of oatmeal laddus, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.